In this video, I'm going to explain how to add a tutor in TutorCruncher. If you want to add a tutor, simply click on People, Tutors, Create New Tutor, and here you can enter the tutor's information. However, if you want your tutor to enter their information themselves, you only have to enter their last name and email address. Let's create a profile for Keegan Miller with his email address. If you then scroll to the bottom and click Submit, the tutor will automatically receive a welcome email. You can view and change this welcome email in your email definitions. You can find the email definitions in System, Settings, under Communication Settings, and then it's this Welcome Tutor email definition. You can change the definition body right here and simply click Submit. So we've just created a profile for Keegan Miller, and Keegan has now received a welcome email with a link to set his password. He can now log into TutorCruncher and add his information like teaching skills, a photo, and any documents that you might need from him. If you don't want to create a tutor profile yourself like we just did, you can have a link on your website to the tutor sign up page. So this is our example website, Dino Tutors. You can have a link like this on your website. It will redirect them to your tutor sign up page. They can create a profile for themselves and enter all of their information. And then profile will be created for them as well. If a tutor profile is created in TutorCruncher, the tutor will automatically end up in the Pending Tutor tab, and the Pending Tutor tab is for your tutors that are still in the application process. So you go to your tutors, see an Approved, Pending, and Rejected and Dormant tab. This is your Pending tab right here. You can invite your tutors for an interview by clicking the Invite for Interview button right here. There's an email definition for this as well, but you can enter a little personal message like, are you available for an interview? Tomorrow at 4 p.m. and maybe like add an appear in link to this or whatever you want to fill in here. An email will go out to them. And when the interview goes well, or if you've already had the interview and want to start working with Keegan, simply change his status to Approved. And once his status is approved, he can apply for jobs. We now see that he is in